Hi everyone, just a quick video, my quick guide to making sloe gin. As you may or may not know, sloes come out usually around about, or it's time to pick them in around about November, second week in November. Although last year they came out early in October. I think this is due to the amount of rainfall that we get during the year. So a lot had fell off by the time I got out there to get some, but what I tend to do is when I get as many as I can, I freeze them before I use them, which I've done here. This enables the skin to burst and then once let the flavour out into the gin once you're ready to make it. So quickly run through the ingredients. 500 kgs, grams of sloes. We want 250 grams of, I use caster sugar. You can use sugar, but I use caster sugar. And also a litre of gin. This is a London dry gin from Aldi. It's the first time I've used Grayson's type. The last time I used one, it came in this format, once again from Aldi, which are quite good quality gins. You don't want to use a rubbish gin. Try and get a good quality gin. So basically, once you've got your gin, your sloes in ready to do the gin, you then pour in the caster sugar into the mixture on top, enabling it to go in the top there, and then basically you pour in your gin. Okay, so for purpose sake, you pour the whole litre of the gin in, and once you've got that full with your litre, give it a quick shake. And they recommend that you leave it then for 3 months. What I would say, once you do start it, try and shake it at least 2 or 3 times a week for the first 2 or 3 weeks, and then maybe once a week from there on in, just to make sure that your caster sugar is dissolving into your gin. Basically, because you do need to keep shaking it. Even towards the end, I normally keep shaking mine just to get all that flavour and the mixture in. So eventually, after 3 months, I usually put a label on the top to say when I've started to make it, so I know when it's due to be ready. It will end up like this. Label on the top to say when it was put in. This is just over 3 months. Lovely colour, all the flavours mixed in, the juices. But what you're left with is your sloes, obviously at the bottom. So I recommend when you do that is that you pour your mixture through a sieve into a jug, just to get the juices out, and then collect all your sloes. I do believe you can use them again. I haven't done that yet, or I do believe you can make a port from the used berries. So it's something to think about. Maybe I'll put on another later date on another video. So once you do that, you've got your mixture then into your jug. I recommend you use a muslin cloth and a funnel into the bottle. You then pour the mixture through your muslin cloth, and you have to keep moving your cloth because the sediment does collect from time to time from obviously the sloes. So keep moving your muslin cloth if you're pouring it in to collect and get rid of the sediment. Usually a whole muslin cloth should to make the 1 litre. You'll get over a litre with all your sloe juices in. You will have more than 1 litre to pour in. So once you get it all in, sometimes people want to filter it twice just to be certain, but I usually only do it the once. And you end up with a gin in your bottle, and they do say try and leave it as long as you can. You can drink it straight away from after doing it 3 months. You can drink it straight away, no problem. They do say if you can leave it 1 or 2 years to mature, the taste gets better. I have 1 or 2 from a couple of years ago I've yet to try. So that's my quick way of making sloe gin. If you've got any questions or comments, please fire them over in the box. Likes would be appreciated, and if there's anything I can help you with, please let me know. Thank you.